Welcome, my dear students, to our Katiyat High School virtual classroom. Students, you know that our period is will be dangerous after day to day. So our government has declared that the class will be online by the media of YouTube. I hope you will understand our classes and will attend regularly our classes. Today, I hope you will very well and you will prepare with your notebook. Students, in your question paper there will be a question. After this is the short question form. Can you tell me what is call it? Can anybody tell me? Actually there will be a question, and after the question there are 4 options. Students will choose any of the option from the alternatives. So this is called MCQ. This is called MCQ. So our today's lesson is MCQ. Can you tell me what is the full meaning of MCQ? MCQ means M for multiple C for choice and Q for question. So MCQ means multiple choice question. Every class has remain this type of question. First of all, from the very beginning you will see this type of question. Of course, each MCQ item will carry half mark. However, depending on the level of difficulty, some items may have 1 mark as well. It is a skill or a strategy for the students of reading. This is a reading skill. Learners choose the right options. Items will be set to test learners' lower order thinking skills, that is knowing and understanding, as well as high order and more critical thinking, that is analyzing, synthesizing and evaluating. Now I am giving you an example for this. Students, I hope you will note down this example on your notebook. Suppose I am reading a text for you. The Great Wall of China, one of the greatest wonders of the world, was first built between 220 from 220 to 220 BC. Now the question, when was the Great Wall first built? The question When was the Great Wall when was the Great Wall first built? First built. I wrote this question from my before text. That means I read a text for you. I am reading again the text. The Great Wall of China, one of the greatest wonders of the world, was first built between 220 to 6 BC. The question is from this text, when was the Great Wall first built? So, students should not make this type of question. Students will just get the answer from the question paper as was born. You should was born. Was born. This is not type question. So now I am writing another question for you. Was born in. Comment the text in the question paper and the answer. Now I am writing another question. What is the initial period of the Great Wall? This question is okay, but my before question is not okay. This is not actually correct question. Is okay as learners. This question is okay as learners. Has to understand that was built, construction period are same. So students will write the question number and then write only A, B, C or D. That refers to the correct answer. So whole sentence from the question paper is not required for the students. So students, I know you understood my message about MCQ. In your question paper, you will get there this type of question from in the beginning. When you will start to write the answer, you have first of all you should read the passage. There will be a passage from your textbook. So you should read the passage minutely and carefully or attentively, and then you will try to understand the theme of the passage, and after understanding the theme of the passage, then you will be prepared to write the answer from serially. That means 1 to, you will write first of all number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. But you will not understand, will not write the question, or you will not be required to the sentence, answer sentence. You should not write the answer sentence. You should write only serial number. That is, there will be A, B, C, D, etc. You will write only serial number. So then you will get mark from this. So students, I hope you have understood my message about MCQ. I hope you will practice at your home regularly. Every day you will minimum one text be read by you, I hope, and you will understand. You try to understand. When you will face any problem from your text, you will call me, you will ask me, you will talk with me, you will help any other English teacher or house monitor or your guardians. So students, this is a very dangerous period for the worldwide man. So this is the dangerous period for us, for you, every person. So we should stay at our home. We should not go out without any marks. And if you can go out by wearing masks. So don't worry. Be safe and healthy. Thank you for your cooperation.